Welcome to solverfy.
Hello students, hope you are doing great. In this question we are given that the E cell or the cell potential is equals to 0.501 volt for a cell. The concentration of nickel 2 plus ion is equals to 1 molar. We have to find out the concentration of the Cu2 plus ions, and we are given the reduction potential of nickel is equals to minus 0.25 volt. Reduction potential of copper is equals to 0.34 volt. And since we have to find out the concentration of the copper 2 plus ion, we will be finding this using the Nernst equation. To find this out, let us first find out the standard electrode potential of the given cell. Now here we know that we are given that at anode nickel is present, and the reaction that takes place at anode is nickel gives nickel 2 plus ion plus 2 electrons, and at cathode reduction takes place, so the copper 2 plus ion accepts 2 electron and forms copper solid. The overall reaction for this is nickel plus copper 2 plus ion gives nickel 2 plus ion plus copper solid. First of all, we will find out the standard electrode potential. So E0 cell is equals to E0 reduction at cathode minus E0 reduction at anode. So the reduction potential of cathode, that is of the copper, is 0.34 minus for anode, that is for nickel, it is minus 0.25. So the E0 cell value is equals to 0.59 volt. It is given that this reaction is taking place at the standard condition, that is at the 25 degrees Celsius. Therefore, the Nernst equation we can write here is E cell is equals to E0 cell minus 0.591 upon n, where n is the number of electrons, log of nickel 2 plus ion concentration divided by copper 2 plus ion concentration. Putting the values, we have 0.501 volt is equals to 0.59 minus 0.591 upon 2. There are 2 electrons involved here, therefore the value of n is 2. Log of concentration of nickel 2 plus ion is 1 divided by the concentration of the copper 2 plus ion. Solving this, we have log of 1 upon copper 2 plus ion into 0.295 is equals to 0.59 minus 0.501 volt. So here we have minus 0. Here we know that the log of 1 is equals to 0. Therefore, log 0 minus log of copper 2 plus ion is equals to minus 0.295. Log of copper 2 plus ion is equals to 0.089. So log of copper 2 plus ion is equals to minus 0.089 upon 0.295. This 0.295 will go here in division. So we have log of copper 2 plus ion is equals to minus 0.301. So the concentration of copper 2 plus ion is equals to 10 raised to the power minus 0.301. So from this we can say that concentration of Cu2 plus ion is equals to 0.500 molar. Hope you find the video helpful. Thank you.